Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the live stream, or if you're watching this at a later date, it'll be known as Keith Condensed. This is a recorded part in my actual live stream. I do actually just recently started filming my season videos during the live stream as well, so it's a great place to come hang out, kind of get some behind the scenes stuff, kind of get just a whole. It's a kind of just like a whole different vibe than what actually happens on the season videos, what happens on Coach Condensed, and also I do have I try to also include some time for like a Q&A, so that way you can come on and maybe get some questions answered immediately and not get lost in like the noise of YouTube comments. So anyways, guys, I would appreciate if you join me. I also happen to give away ½ ounce of silver, so you're not going to want to miss out on that, to the person who has the most K-Coin, of course. And if you're like, what the heck is K-Coin? You got to come to the live stream and figure out, because it will be way too complicated to explain to you right this second. But anyways, this question came from Julian Kirby. What about business? What about big business bonds and bonds worldwide? Are those monthly dividends? So this came from like my top 3 bond videos, or when do bonds pay dividends, or something along those lines, in specifically regards to Stash. I didn't actually cover big business bonds or bonds worldwide because at the time those weren't actually released and rolled out. So you kind of get the first ticket to big business bonds and bonds worldwide. Let's go ahead and actually jump on the screen, and I can show you how to figure out when a ETF or company actually pays a dividend. So this is Stash right here. So what we want to do is we want to actually find the investments that you're talking about. So because we want to find the ticker. So we'll go to scroll down until we find big business bonds or bonds worldwide. And right here they are. We'll go ahead and open up both of them. Learn more. And we'll go ahead and look at, I think this is bonds worldwide first. So this is big business bonds. The ticker is VCIT. So that's going to be important when you're looking up dividend. But let's go ahead and view the fund's website. Maybe it'll tell us something on there about when they pay dividends. We'll go ahead and go to distribution. And as you can tell, they pay a dividend. So this is every single time that they pay dividend, they report it as a distribution. So the last time they paid a dividend on here was 7/02/2018, and it became payable on 7/06/2018. The month before that, 06/01/2018, 06. So this one is a monthly dividend, and that's going to be the Vanguard Intermediate Term Corporate Bond ETF, so also known on Stash as their big business bonds. So that would be specifically how you find out that one. You could just go to the fund's website. Get really used to going and looking at the fund's website, and then also maybe do like a Google search on it and be like, is VCIT good? And then read about it. Read different articles where people talk about it and give their opinions on it. That way you can kind of build your own opinion. And then second, we'll go ahead and look at bonds worldwide, which is the Vanguard Total International Bond ETF, or BNDX. So that might be important too. We'll go ahead and copy that ticker, and we'll go ahead and view the fund's website again, which is going to be a Vanguard fund as well. So it's going to be set up exactly the same as the other big business bonds that we were looking at. We'll go ahead and go to distribution right here, and it'll tell us on here exactly when they're paying dividends in the past, and that's probably what they're going to do moving forward. I mean, basically, as long as those bonds that they hold on that ETF continue to pay those dividends or those distributions, then hey, there you go. So the record date, or the ex-dividend date, was 7/02/2018, and they paid a dividend of 7/06/2018. The prior one to that was on 06/01, so a month before, and they paid the dividend on 06/06/2018. So this is going to also pay monthly as well. So both of these bonds worldwide, and then also big business bonds, are both going to pay, or should be paying, dividends every single month. As far as what it is, per share, it tells you right here. So usually it says 1%, but basically if you hold an entire share, they pay 4 cents, almost 5 cents per share on international bonds or bonds worldwide. And then as far as the big business bonds, they pay 23 cents, almost 24 cents per share. The per share price, I assume, for big business bonds is going to be a lot more. It's $83 currently right now, whereas bonds worldwide sits at $54. So you might get a little bit better dividend actually a little bit better percentage payout for a international or for big business bonds compared to bonds international. And that's kind of the way that the dice roll. So I really hope that that answers your question, Julian. Both of them are going to pay monthly dividends. As far as the percent breakdown, you could go ahead and do your own research on that. I believe that Stash tells you on here. Yeah, dividend yield of 3.44%. And then a dividend yield of 2.22%. So they tell you straight on this actual Stash platform. Anyways, thanks for asking, Julian. I really appreciate it. Feel free to let me know down in the comments what your favorite bond holding is, whether it be on Stash or whether it just be in general. Like for me, I hold junk bonds, and then also I hold this other ETF called NFLT. That doesn't mean go buy them because I hold them. I would say go do your own research before investing into any ETF or any bond fund, for that matter of fact. Anyways, guys, it has been real. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you all on the live stream or the next Coach Condensed video or season video or whatever it may be. Anyways, feel free to connect with me by leaving a comment, check me out on Twitter, or even, heck, join up on my Discord. The link's in the description. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Peace out.